Ay malungil itasin se kumama malungil tangat kuk musela president kuk me kesteral afternoon. Ngora wirar mam nam bukutu mem nam bukutu bangar mam morgim. Buto ka gel question gid el ensel mo kuk maka ngel imol bulura. At ay gal toksyon noru le nga ka ngutelte ale mam lenges ula me president. Mos em no spare ka ba me kuk adadu ay gel klabal kul to ngel belaw. Di era the board tel toksyon gid personally going as ula me so em attend the memorial of Francis. It was an honor account. Akmin sa kaw man masang ikira o kompleso is we kill mon momrek mang na family na ka mat appreciate ko. Ngon mo ise do mo man sumong ko nga niya to bet som mong ig mamadi nga tiya dio. Sige da pabiling nila maangir mang comment ni muy na question ni. Mo dek pas ka audion.
Hindi ako tulol maral misulang na invitation. المرتيال تي ام سي مقدوك هذا دو دي مسؤول الانفيتيشن سيد الاتندر تاع الميموريال فرانسيس اوف كورس كمان ما بلو نغاراجيل الشام يو نو غاروبا اكتلي سيتو عشان دي بلغتاك ماجي موغا اورال موغا Hindi ako maralo sa sel ko termlar ang ura pekel tema sa hindi swal sel ungil girera. And I think that should always be the they can stand up for what we believe in. You know, I think say the legacy of Francis. Sumo marara to you go all the way. El fight el girel sel mo marani. Esa kumula government el sel. So you know, one of the things I want to begin with ko trule man ngutel te alle osus raibudul maraklay marubugul belao bilung ebiraklay mar basil belao president la senate hokons paules marugul senators speaker kanay marugul delegates governors lators marbekal other belao ligida mral ngal tangat ngo ogiam lidiu leng degadil el sel belao micrel belao sedel madadura ngal geda sel kumarani nasen total you know it's Thanksgiving ngari adul ulgera ngalwase akplar amrigel atogena wase kom celebrate Thanksgiving tenda kal holiday amrigel makase no tia holiday kamam lagi agi mesa sing ungil toy lang we should be thankful oh kada ngira dan mana asule da ngira dan mana asaura igel lungil toy al ngari irgil غطروا نقدر من رسول Dios الواضل للياق البلو يغرى البلو you know I was in Qatar لم تير جدرا أسألوك development conference topic education lifting you know gospel education how it can transform or lift people out of poverty and you know I couldn't help myself so in one of the meetings I share a story radama and how missionaries Pastor Toribio change raklangaring Israel get it over the school model nga school mal makatek time and came back to school and was failing in its all its classes Pastor Toribio Pastor Burton at the time am council of Angela say ka fifth grade hindi ka girim mo tumra second grade nga say meron ka ba isira akmal mo grandpa you know but you know, and his time in front of the courthouse, Modera Akmangel Imalo, Mr. Dictionary, try to figure out how to read his book. But Nosel graduated and went all the way to college because Ursel Clomrani was the most important thing. Clomrara Dios, o yerung adalo siya kanya si Kuru School. Bring loader. I get three principles if you want people to lift Raklangarti, education is the key. And then of course just like when I was in UAE, Ali, Abela is only 20,000 people. Well, even less Akira Ablula last time, 17. We have one vote, we have one voice. Mora belim no table of course actor bitara president of Brazil ma prime minister Norway ma Aigal maklol bulu Engal Prime Minister Norway during artial address ring and recognize the cell leadership the makalauro lamangel gira aigal protection of the oceans and the leadership that we have worked on together. And then of course aigal gidat makalauro gira to climate change. Of course, blue. And then we came to Washington, D.C. Nomesa Vice President Vance, Assistant Secretary Haig, ngengel wal ngel kantor ngel wal longar sel interior longar belaw mal mleswal mer belaw memskit sel grant the $20 million grant el gira la tora pension. Yo se tema la umeo Brigading Arter Washington DC ako dorsirgo.
Nilo at sikam sko.
Well, they're going to wire the money. Hindi el check.
Na mo America bagets.
Na America bagay. So it's on its way. I don't know, not more account and there. Di sel grant already timna approve ring. Di ela ka pensioner udlay mo. Kamdang elo ase. Ngare get reform required. El girela olvida kulular mo. So apart the requirement trambrige la ase. Agi mo 20 million MSCAW. Muko tungira pang account or na interest kamingira pension. Luase olbira kalulang pasralla. At sum olbira lulula de kal pasralla. 2027 ka return tila ludod plus interest. Matiadi kung ngwadi dong karingi. But in some ways that's a good thing because kita bebera time we cannot take action lang. We need to continue to make progress and we need to take action. That's the lalak lang.
I see.
So we need to debate these issues, we need to discuss them. So one of the things tilura hega kasi humra se Olbil can pass a law now with some ideas. Hindi sel so mamal mruri we're going to have an economic symposium in March. And we're going to bring the consultant here. Sige time ko ask our pensioners and then we sit down and they will go through the different exercise. Elal sumak change our retirement age and mortiang. Al sumak increase our percent. Egang ara impact ni. So as a community as a whole, kita mo dong okle and we chart our path. Ilembrige natin kaldo say, what are you going to do? No, a choice Hindi to ase reform rir selungir kamiu. Di make sure ase ngel dirga silis sa berela al sils ani awdo don moring ratrak labse. Siya ngar alem. Ngar alem. I see. So I you know kadirigal noriate aledel I had two other meetings ngel Osombre ngel Assistant Secretary of State al ukongra East Asia. So ge cover basically ASEAN countries ma Pacific rogir. Hopefully be coming to Palau soon. They ask issues belau what ngaray important the priorities. Of course kita a compact is in place. They re-emphasize the importance of veterans. El time they pass a budget. Of course we talk about the new hospital. Important issues. We also had the opportunity to meet JD Vance, Vice President Vance. So I was able to meet him as Uxer President. We talked about global issues, but more importantly, our role in America Pacific. One of the reasons I'm invite in Merbela el Girela PIF for next year. Ngil highest level of government America Namora igal PIF. Hillary Clinton and Secretary of State. So aktiru tirase tiga ok Democrats ila kadu kara Republican nutru mula ang alak tersel. Le kamam other bela oktobet sa del will rigid mo tin mo rablo ladro se your heart is in the right place.
Ikaw Republican.
Yeah.
Kumle Republican.
Ang other bela. Kita Diswada Balua, Diswada Ambrigel, and make sure a lot of issue give. So one of the things, of course, Vance Ngel Deputy National Security Advisor, his name is Andy Grove. Nge narsel meeting, Gabriel meeting is ra ukpor Ambrigel sa summer. Nge mlamay gertingan dan more Vance. And one of the issues in we're working on veterans. We want to make sure our veterans are maigel. Especially when it comes to medical care. So, of course, it's in the budget bill. Of course, hindi tiga-tiga continue o kumbre ka budget tira January 21st makasi kita other bela ko so dem subay gid star other amri
hindi ka lepas sa budget gid
hindi ka lepas sa budget a conference committee I think has not come up with a compromise and it is unfortunate kita amri lo se sera da pasra continue mala alas tila da do en mligrel di talbu ile todo sin mergi. And of course, one of the challenges we have, because of the increase in salary, we're going to run out of money. So I have basically two options that I'm faced with. One, I start more 72 hours. Start an exit payday more 72 hours. Or kada di ko sa December 13 kada lay offer other role. I think kada continue long iter other role bira ko lalo say. It's eminent.
Important. Siya ko tatlo
kadoni tertil wase ngai gets amne babiliyat mortil uli tertil wase me mograda telul edi the focus rayel a budget me to sa telul rauriul I think sigida you know abebera time ulang mombring rayal manal mal to telul gada mali mo focus rase tigida idi sira udodol desal doba tigida se der gorgoringi ayagida program ligid gutmo meda gatmo of course nga maktiri kamle parte sel telul laktilur tiro ase modokera to pension modokera to SS alsel matadim legote ongil lager telul dito klalo abes el telul meda ngagri rogula ase meda ngatelul el me the pasra budget edbur telul mang sige da kora ongiten and you know I think plan meng sero ser adro bila la momitraklu bodol ngiter tida se basically tadi pasra conference committee report kandona process togongeri sign both houses a session en mergi de en sedel signery also mang nakmena telul this one telul of course a process I get the referring delay so I hoping
tiamal muskasil tu tiang korala mas ben mo isiksikte
ay active kilo ase holidays ya umra lo ase close to trelan al adro ngila ta skipping ertir ma family de lo ngelo ase tasel baakl dire kan maral mer Christmas we want to make sure tasel baakl
dito ko ase ka olam murahaw so madra senet
na olam madra bela
sa September dori man multa kalor raw maul mo na morir na house mo algo ko dik murahaw so ase motobdi tiar ela ito tobdi masenet mo sila
gid ulingit tertira September dori lo ase bom adu emsam aklitiam man mem da sana budget bill rule bill
nga manot
se elekadble tidan mo albangara yen el alsils
waise
el tira drablul mo sweba garandi
president ngaram bilgul la continuing resolution ma marakakaro sa continuing ma budget retial bela dia ada longora ringi especially adra legislative branch armutun dia ka continuing resolution di aiga urgent el toy milgira di mitin ela maklu ko mangyas
waise
di mer ko complete kiltelo am na experience ay gilwais ngaram to ko man lax dia well kora dia ko bamda society important me other
no I think in dia lax I think still to compromise
dia sil ko ngeli
so they need to be able to work together to come up with a compromise and I think kita buto swat nga soka bol age limit bol 65 soka reform ra pension mara tel budget bill to ase president monul monger da gartelul makasi okay bata do ger de kami bom pasa separate la
seblam ngeri so ko to da
makasi moger to kamla moger
nga ka laxel turun mo ko experience you should be in a closed door idi kam di me maran mo ngure mo freshen up continuation adule
well
na modori de sil dia kangaran
and then you know kita nangar olbil albebera time al suma arterul chairman anam da sil agree
the pull out mo bes
Ilang burgula sen dekat the reach compromise.
Wais.
I mean that's the process. Ninga nga speaker the president tra senate ndi I got part of the process.
Part process.
Oh.
Important tal adra pa do.
Oh. Sige. So kita amal dyan kasi mem focus ra anit sira ra travel. You know, I've submitted so many reports. This is the most reports request akme submit ra imora report mo ra President ra Senate, remle request ra Senator Rodim, makme sendringin mo, basically same information, repeated different format, erim lamong. Ang regel askel, you really need to wait for the audit report and my. So, let's focus on the issue. Ngariyaw daw, nobody questions us saying, ngariyaw daw. Instead of proposing 152 million, exactly. Ila arrak, kami la 152 million. Usually, sel ila ada nga la next year. So, apat the proposal niya di same level may arrak. So, to me, those are the questions that get asked. So, ngara olbi, mas ay priority kami. If we cannot compromise ay priority kami, ma-priority gidra, umingil teludo, at least, I get major blood agree, let's let them go. Malurur takabalment, terur taureor, ay yun mo ay al minor. That's the way I look at it. Kadam lang always will understand the process. Maybe that time I think sige. You know, akti share a story. Bilim lamra Senator Isaan. Hindi nga remember that time nga kami chairman ng Ways and Means sa Senate, ingat chairman ng House. Sergi po ra conference, inga ko tumteta nga rele adra fight mga di yung oro rigid. Di ko lang tigir tiagi del toy. Ako lang tigir yung wasi. Kata kaliya del argue ri rasegad. Result argue ri rasegad. Enga ngamla otabo ile digal si el move. Abot asking mo change rule mo dal sebel. Aklam may say the best solution adil mo.
Ito do.
Bere mo lang ngoro mo mrek mo selson. And then mo mrek agi recess. Engo say okay, I understand. Medmitra a museum. Agi mo a museum, akpan gi ko explain and one by one I get reason sir. Kasi okay, dek aklo agi ta mo sumakli. And that's what happened.
Set mo na compromise.
Oh, elect no yun kasi unfortunately because of YouTube, TV, kit sel to tabo ide blado relate tel kadala show. Ngoten bring it gidra. Marka klaigel blado do. This is reality.
Humanity.
Yeah. Hindi kal swadar mo dame. Listen, hindi kal swadar. You know, for me it's okay to admit I'm wrong. Let's fix it. Let's compromise. But some people, ada kasi mga klaigel. Agim lak mulo sang waisay mong di mo and that's hard. Oh, mong akti share ay because I think about di kadiyo bang ari ore misel hey, we're in the Thanksgiving spirit, we're in the Christmas spirit. We need to be forgiving, we need to be understanding, and I think I got about to ko. Di sel de katso dalo niya also karandir adalo order rabi kalsins.
Like you're saying, assume di ngaran marula the closest tell government.
Why saying? That's a given.
It was in December 14.
Well, there's
before the end of the
there's
year.
two ways to do it. We were thinking was one of the options as tatel lonitra se morior 80 hours and the mo per 72 hours. That's one way of doing it. Finally when the pass budget, more reimburse. That's one option. The other option I say, well, December 13 natulungul. Hindi nga ko umral was you know, kadang experiencing na September 30. There's always the midnight hour mo. Umral was olbira kulula amdang langar alir. And sometimes in urgency a force a compromise. And maybe that's what we need. So dimla ka deadline. One open till deadline kadon message hindi ka compromise. But now they have to compromise because they have to make a decision.
December 13 or face ra other way out.
Why say? I think that's a simple way of looking at it. We need to move.
President kami ukto pora. Ngari apa bila subject round magi diol tay kan.
It's good.
Tirgal dia ko sa refugee akmoy ra babira Senate temla yo babira Council of Chiefs.
Naman sa programa Landau.
Emlam sa programa Landau. Where are we?
Okay. So, hindi ka malungil. You know, one of the things that Sir Rigel, we had an opportunity to meet Landau, meet the immigration lawyer. So, we can get a better understanding and say, what are we talking about? What kind of people are we talking about? So, a status or tir, selam turam Rigel. Why say? Al sumun swamlo siga asylum, and selam gira taram Rigel and giramel declare was siga asylum.
Why say? Rim multiple embassy.
Okay. Tirga nga adim na kalwaisi. Tirga mlakiram Rigel tarra ngerudra. Ya immigration amon matigertir. Maseral patigertir et tekmula se. Kama nga artia le yosiga asylum le agibora abluma Abu Saif all the karamam. So there's a term for them. They're called Tangaram Rigel under a status they're withholding without for removal. So tigawal nga limbo. Nsil kiram Rigel orior. Hindi ngirid mo luton mabluri. Di ulunda sin mo luton mabluri. Amrigel falora seluk
Protected tir.
Human rights. And they can see lord rokertin morablul mo arabar alsel. Say a problem ram Rigel. Di Rigel omra lo se tigaw tangar se tigaw siga orior.
Din timlang lo tirak lala.
Nimla lo tirak ralla ra immigration. So kita pengen tokara hori pingan ngarbelaw. The tourist visa till 10 years. Ekmera ram Rigel. Edi mo orior. I mean, tiang lo klol lo miyem tel mirar sera temela gobi. Probably some of them will be coming back. So, al suman dimla kal declare segi daliga. Amrigel a direct send the team more me. Di sum temla declare tegi del wa saying tuwal under protection lang tamo orab al brablo abluril matamal segi da. So that's the type of people they are. Now, Amrigel amla akmulo say. Tigel egor belaw kotrul kami amome salis 30. You get to review their background. You get to choose what say tegong on there. You have the right to refuse them. Tedri kam lak mori del wase. Trigal egor belaw adia the only violation that they have at Tilur Amrigel illegally. Well, technically now they're not there illegally. They're there because they can see in Morme. So actually they have no criminal record. So that's
Clear.
Tigam clear. So most likely at Amlangaram Rigel at a minimum 1 year. Lengirin Mlangalakra 1 year they can declare asylum lapsel window. Some of them have been Ngaram Rigel 20 years, 30 years. Tirga ule tirga ngaram Rigel or under a work permit kmed wajid other bela ngaramu alugot pay tax di dekal eligible for food stamp dekal eligible for retirement dekal eligible ayerogul healthcare dekal eligible tidi eligible lower. That's their status. Mang Amrigera akongelo ase akpa agim dega sen sensitive issue ra blur bela tamla akongelo ase we can send 10. You can see how the 10 people do. So it's acceptable. Then we send another 10. That's the process. They did one time, I send there 75 level. But remember, through the process and all throughout the process, Maria right, kami stop rin any time. That's the agreement that we have.
Sa screener tilo kasi.
Yeah. Mas sa background tilo sa rural blani. Malsum ko mesal was nga construction worker o some other construction. So cell committee, part of cell working group committee, among alir screen omes. El sumat te was saying go to spare other assets, for example. And so them like other assets. So spare other lower hotel. So them like other lower hotel, other spare construction. Bla ngaria atoktangan liga tunggal toktangan mega. We will look over it. The other meeting I had when I was there was with Stephen Miller. Stephen Miller, Deputy Chief of Staff, Trump all time. If you've seen him,
Mas tough.
he's very
He's
tough.
a tough guy.
Yeah, he's a tough guy. Actually, in Kirabe Israel all time, bikrak lang aring ilin.
Why, sir?
Aring til, gar Charlie Kirk al bilo siya niya. Interesting sila ba, bok mitriyeng, Jeff Farrock masi. Ilaman kita serima omong, katamal dimol, kadi orings. Leng, our suspicion was in Gaswan mo dadu rigid rigid tial to ko. We have to be grateful. Of course, Zelensky amal dil sara TV lo setia tonga tele. So anyway, we went to the West Wing at the White House. Nga di office niya tiya Oval Office ng abitang. Nga he spent 1 hour with us. Mal interesting tell meeting he's the nicest guy. Nga oger arogul question girel bela and everything from our culture to are you losing your language, how can we help parang oger was emarad help parang nami. So he was very interested raiger rogul dos perablur bela mga kamal emphasize rani diri hospital. More said lasted 5 minutes. Yasi president ka understand was bela amal sa lilam rigel mamrigel amal counter kita agi hospital kami hospital kami mugira dal algay nga siyo muase ay la rogul bla mo sa amal disen mo to koy amal di wasu ko ma'am di kami barata pralis makasi that's the reality. Eleng basically ngobating la president Rablo Ramrigel merigid lo ase help per kamam the sky is the limit basically that's what he's telling me.
So di ngara limited to the member ko ngasum sorry lower
sorry lower
to spare labor process
lower yeah egida egida mo review lo ase arsum gada mo sender tin morme ende kan mo arab blure
so that ngari ang do bangkel 100,000 na tala
dakal elang gida separate tegal to koy ayelo dalo do tegala inde kan Uyghurs so we have to erase the segidal concept seludo americablemente revela now gida cedros peril assister gida for example we need more money for police maybe this is a challenge for us. We need more money for immigration. It is a challenge for us. We need more money for education. I don't know. We can be creative. You decide what's important. For example, we need them to stay somewhere for 30 days while they find employment. You can use it for that.
So, el murula blirin dia?
Hindi, nangan mo murula blirin.
No,
the rule of leader.
Asum mek ke oro le gorga ka marula bi.
Ka ang inul employer ka mga elemlo provider. No. So teludo audu del belaw. Sell proposal 7.5. Sell additional 6 million ma pension. Mudu del didungul pseudo do der belaw. And then atira dire miskita 2 million assistance help rider tian mga mother gider tora adrak sama ishura ablur belaw. So those are the assistance البسكيت السيبريت تريال
تلقى laborers
مغرى 15 million
15 and a half yeah
15 and a half okay
and then قدم نيان واسي السوم قدم ويرتير for the next 3.5 years and maybe Trump will find money لغت مكلي hospital because they can yeah, they can. So I get that. So when I look at the issue, I say, Kotrul, kita ablul lomoral. I think kada blur Allah. We like to take care of people. Kadungirarad. So da man maltitoy. Tiang te al. Kada help problem again. Of course, ngari help primera blur bela. Ediri kal help pringel ad I think much better for them to come here ralbora Uganda, or ralbora Eswatini. So ngari opportunity real help para. To me, it's an opportunity for a win-win. Everybody wins.
Martial ma FS.
Namo 50 blo ablal sana. And I offer a merbelo because of our relationship. They're not offering it to Bekel Blue, and that's why Ali get them more clear. Selling yes, wala lo maskid el degal lududir tigela. Degabol.
Necessary. Kidil tu sa tawaring asulit.
Adam. It's because of our partnership. Mudo spell mat mokrabel wade ada help particular mungil. Hindi wase. Kami ang area processor kami. Mungiti trileo, ndur trileo. Now, to say alsum te ko rablur belau e decide wa sensorin morme. Ngarea process ay fandra ayo metol duro kortin morme.
Okay.
Alsum tirir kier belau. Disum te kye
Decided que
iya se ali gom gongel malar 75 el tira mo kier belau. Tirgel di mel marala te dom ur tira 75.
at any given time di nga 75.
Oh, after 1 year. Tirgel
Suma mo tiling mura kada sigas all.
Oh. Sige da.
Tiang ko ramal tak to tiang ngaram lo dari wala lemang. Mo na krok tiang mal monday.
Makaral malo adra.
Sel ko tel metial to ko en. Tulil ngariam ni girel mrul kum le kaklu law kam ngaram to kray gam sel.
De. Au alela amrigal amle oli tirgido sa yo spe años. This was back in June. Mlani draft el agreement el Binski. Seguida blada during kada mle clarifier tel agreement el mora ambassador ma uno mlai sel kora ami ting lo ngel mle swad اول اقبل اسكر leadership المعسه تذكر روغو اذا قريم بول كلير او ذا سويت يجي طب ده يجي السبع كرنغ يجي.
So you understand all this all along?
Yeah. So a process I say mela kadamna to يجي الرول ده بيجي كري mela kadamna other sen moram ريجل amla I انت قايلا يم قتموق لا يم قتموق رولي من مودغم لا نديرو بيجي and we're partners. So we're going to help you. Di, kasi, alsum because before almerad, temiski daw daw. Dito kasi, alsum di 10 akom stop, hindi kasi gipra daw. Ali kom nutrit. Lagi, alawar gipra. You know,
Kaya another amur, kaya redel, betul amur.
Okay.
Di ka matangalo senso ito mo 375 may.
Amarin
Surangel,
man.
dalsa.
Ngarir 6,000 and other blue care banana since even mas Stephen Miller akmo ngalo kasi ngara sen mal kanson mo kasi di ka madiri kal kora mal bigi kertiga na Africa magir mera abluma may asi and so mga other year mo kasi hindi ka ngamal so kara adana huri ping ma kasi don't worry tiga mo adara huri ping mar adara Vietnam mar adara Indonesia agi mas kmalis te kom choose oh ma
Okay. Sige.
kasi tiga me adara suga
Ay, si.
Di wino trial ada o siya yero gulte alle kera blue Amrigela since Trump got into office cell border crossing has dropped by 99%. Tira Trump marada Amrigela tira Trump he said he was going to control the border and guy to Stephen Miller guy executioner make sure that
safe
so they've been able. And so this is just part of their overall policy. El pentra siya singin ngel adal nga rabel wala umda siya adoy direct radial lang makara kumar tanang mga brigel bom mo tingin kasi agyosi krole kan mutur top bla kami bomb through a right process I mean that's hindi wa igi kada kasi opera blumam multi rakral so that's it's a deterrence really what we're working on is it's all about deterrence. Hindi wa amakamat. Kita dekal so amakamat. How do you prevent amakamat? Make sure you're prepared. Pero amakamat. May nga dekal amakamat.
Presidente kamla katilo del modibus lero Sunday del Sunday.
Meron Sunday, but anyway, okay.
Blow mo eh. Hotel din masada tel aldim rat. Kung to ko refugees kung da sang mal takral da. Hindi ko ay sa kawla. Kung lasa ko tululin din lakal. Pero kam lamit ko close story kakalulaw ko mga aruba may kang mo kursi adam ni so iso na sige da
kahal di bod blak takla kadam le mit kin maruba ke kalululaw oy waise hindi tiga ruba ka ukangari active esel active la takla a campaign am nombrega November last year hindi sel da dir la campaign e bladatura esel government e dolo ba kisi ruba ka lo robo kara a presidente hindi ka lumil to.
It is a family affair.
Yeah, no, kamlad ulima, I have to be very honest. We saw it, tercera gimitra alsela. Aiga, maktilura, amada na buko dolo ase. Kawa de ka montera rubukul belaw. Gimnar se closed door meeting, kama te dobra ruba ka. Asore na da kantinun masada tertial to. Mende ka sela wan ruba, kal masada tingira restaurant ruba. Hindi opinion ako. I don't know if you remember. Kada ngwil da taklitel morablu. Kita amna alsela COVID. Waise. Magada il dele ablu momsadra COVID ra amayo. Kamda sen tangel mlodo or Ali arubul bela hotel important authority advisor ra president. Hindi kada porase kada edo politics edo ba sales platform ng tokra president. To me that's not what advisors do. Advisors are mera president as president tiyan awil do subi tiang edrelil mongil kada mo rapling laiga nga ase ako tawdo dun ko tarat. Understand ra ko ni makatangara amayo el masader tiar tokra COVID el trial explain mo adablo as ngara process. Kita amla vaccinate rablo bela amla prepared mar toktang semong toktang aling mira ite makapano Roberts ma a doctor quarter bor material adra CDC ngarse lola baro ko information el moktegra meeting a help rablo mo understand mo maklorin lo ase el al blood prepared in marma COVID mela kada we're going to make it through and let's work together to get it. Ngel me Dr. Bostrom if you remember his statement hindi lora Mother mo say, I'm sorry, the horses left the gate. Close ra, askoyi man lakal berbelaw, esel close niya, modekal si el megar, modekal si el mertoktang me help breed, hindi tial COVID armor al sel ablur belaw. The ording community spread, it's not going to do anything. Hindi, why would you at a public meeting? Eka modo orem, modo dulway we did the same thing at Tiatora refugee. Why send them? It did exactly the same thing. Maula radrablo moraran rin as leaders, and gira dat makalogrio. Arubukul bela nga ako timuro arubukul bela. But gira mo understand that arubukul bela. Tiga advisor, ra president. Hindi ka di mo raingok government. Tiga ali I don't know. Kana understand diga ko wat melala. Tiada kal senate, tiada kal house. Matablo al mulu sa bela say. So mama leadership meeting hal. Kami advisor a president, malsumani a leadership meeting, and maybe we'll invite you to the leadership meeting. The leadership meeting, my understanding of the leadership, agirel president, all of you kalulaw, at makan bisada the leadership meeting. Arubukul belaw, mar governors, mar lators, se ukne teletera Tamil invite til melol dalakra olbil. Di nga ako tumolo olbil umralo ase to work with OEK, ingirel president mo olbil adadu. Hindi ako ba arubukul belal mel dalakra olbil. No, that's politics ra tami. No, ginadal mo blak takler I think maybe that time we little bit get confused. E hal bodo sa other omul. Mal puto ka mabiling arubukul belal melas. So mama meeting al girela atora attraction. So mama meeting al girela. So mama call meeting. What are you talking about? Kadista tara gagidele state of the Sora. Number 5 Sora deliver. In those 5 Sora, diri ka tamil mera imol Sora amadang bugo. Not a single one. T-shirt ayam kadamo raigel meral tritilla to. Say a disrespect lo listen here rubukul belaw el meranga al president rabul belaw. In disrespect el dekal beranga al president, disrespect el moral other belaw rogoy. That's what I see is the problem. Ikadam na me it goes on too long. So, katakan tinur tilagi del same thinking. Angir turong on tera rubul bela mera meeting. Kami asing recently mga ara klaro lewa bini ngena melo ase. Ang irtulong ade kaluti ko ra meeting. Engkang naman madara rubukul belaw. Hindi na kaligyan mo balkata karaigal roles. Tiga ruba ka rogoy. Ang te blurir. Hindi ka raklan madara ngi di ruba ka alset tel blur belaw. Mai budul me ka tiga ruba. Tiga each ruba ka represent blurir. So ngira dal I think
Advisor.
Hindi ka lagi. Mnamo solo prida rubukul belaw because kadam na mga politics lo tu tiga rubukul belaw gira dal mungul rtir tiga budu darat mol el dabat trir tiga miski dawin advice. Alak share last story mal baderanga. Aki ngara angat pangara a weekend iler adra chaiga mlegrin mesra portran pa. Oise el gira la fishing port. Egida bangla history tial fishing port roase hotrula adra mrigen amla mel close ra PITI tial ligan ngamlan so mnam da fishing port rebelo so al swadar mrul o mngedra al sela brul belo mnam da kal sebeden ndeka a place in molger dangi gari so adra shabala ulmes wase what are the other options kudul mesra amdala irai kudul mesra alo mesri no said best agayuk because ngari al mol protect it's safer for harbor. The other thing on message so sa first time na request na al mortiro kasi hindi kami sa epsigo ray mulige edbora epsigo tamlo message sa tiamal at tugal maral meria de kalungin so tamle decide mo ngat pa albor ngat pang kasi one of the reasons why sorry ngat pang may daram daratwal ongero ngari aral de kabor trua ngidil community ndi direct el morap trulla and then ongede already ngari all el سيادة الأولاب لومجي قال ديال which they need them transport قال لوبال مايا so there was multiple reasons that take you the messaging holistic what are we trying to accomplish تدري قالوا messaging say تدري قال opportunity to make it a tourism attraction kadang arse diri قال مقايا قال morang Dubai and then maybe ngari ako ay sushi restaurant how do we make it a tourism site how do we make it fishing port mela Chaiga says it's a multi-purpose port mang saya arirut niya tokora Chaiga di ktimo blak takla temela campaign amada nga buko damora adan atmak mo se tial porta de abol toy awulang mumkin tarungo de kamil teruruba akar ngatpang etrial adara Chaiga ogerang lo ase ngorang ari auto ngira rubak algira tial porter ngatpang magogera ogero ase tuata rubak om tor tial porter ngatpang turubak ngatpang ento aseng raklay makase araklay amre dram lago dalo ngatpang muktek lo sadar ngatpang but that's his letter and mora adara chaiga mor ambassador ashabal mar adara ashabal oger tial question maula the other press conference that masabi niya kita amlam tamal al-blue but ulang direkal gidan mo makatakli ang umral wasen direkal appropriate ra adam le president ilang nga rubugul belaw ospe analyzing in madayon wase git selsum swada migir bas ra kabalment malumen swada mamal isa ra outside ikadam lula ba biel ospe egal dongur gidal part ra kabalment attack ra kabalment gidam din wase ada shabal sel Polomes was set tial kabalment na mo to ito mo madakte mo hands off and that's to me is not right so gida di blatak nga I think enough is enough we need to focus rabelwat omes was nga kamal simple ang urato ko nga rakot trungil girel abalur belaw mar other belaw mal simple so I think it's important that we clear the record. So, to me, Araklay is out of line. Rubugul Belaw, I'm not too aklo. Namo tamlabes na responsibility tir Rubugul Belaw. Gidam no meser tir uling tir ase kami amre drablu. Selso mangari adara almema taak maluwet me ang itangas. Kada me meser kami ulgot. Nora process kama mamlara meeting alo maglalam daw matat adra Senate, matiru bukul belam lari, ekmura alanda lo ase, agi marulia working group. Madre na working group, eta protest sa senda gin partra working group. At yung morala kas kailan. I mean, so we have to understand one thing. It's politics.
Exactly.
So at the end of the day, nga komptera adra blur belaw, ako rin sa adra blur belaw kasi ngarasel aikel concern sa kami, mgarado ang udre dong atmo kan make sure kom sel baakla. E al sumang ari ang wil tukol sa adrulil help ra blur belaw, mo ra sa hospital gid mo ra gid tukoy. Ngaramak mo ko tawaring. A question naman kasi, ngaram mo na gid te alal man adra belaw e kadam losto.
Okay, mahal ito mura aldim. Kakam nom liwet me nga aldim re lang. Ngilo erul dartil milyon may. Kautian na ais mungil ay.
20 million.
20 million, 20 million.
Pension.
Hindi ko maldo lira on el zero.
Sila makloludol pati.
Sir Omeng yatilom sa report lo asi. Ang dude del nga savings sam rigel lang ewal dat madrigel milyon. Trawil ais. Ya tourist belaw amlang mas las man. Mas ang mutra lang 20 some thousand lang na.
Hopefully we'll reach 70 by the end of the year, yeah.
Embro ko at tukora murada blilo asing tumong maarala at mira salmeo ng December.
Napasala. So they're going to get it, yeah.
Mo nga December naglam tingel wasem lasta tagargrira to umira sila ka blin matungal which is good most amo bigem ako
so haladi paska history ra before tour office gila to rablilio a previous administration amne soril dingwa utungum stra adram brigen emro airport say amle so one of the first things is at the tour office the first meeting ni gidram gila blue ram brigen aktilur trase dek atemela national government rablilio al sumun somil murur airport rablilio engir help program ra ut mure ut national government ko mas amal help program los peri that's why engari telu dodrel al kidamo se edel ngumster adrablilio look twice said trust fund ra compact serada first one compact which is you know klangal tangatan mo ablilio akmrenga sulali akmrenga sulali gobernador ma atira adrablilio and I really maldim lulu ase oi tenamora mandara agar kadil mal bring lang do daldim oi ter adralla engil lakal ndi I'll just give you some numbers sir total udo the 100 almost 125 million based ra umitela udo ra compacte takmurgi delo ase to make sure that it grows every year ngari ang algel mosperi ideally you pull 4% out earn 6%, sel 2% obangel almaran mo klo kami all top der 4% rospeng. Seguida aluli
investment.
Tia si amel kan tiniu los pengil de kaula bangalen. Emran mo klo. Maktimas ka idea. Ulungo tamal di mot mage motan adrablilio. Egal ududir at invest. Etikita sel happen. 125 million at 4% is 5 million a year. Ulum tedi melang alagel 5 million a year and next year ito nga 5.1 million nga 5.2 million inga di meral mo klol da kaula bangalen si lombe ni ra
meral mo 150 million next 10 years
exactly saben makura di was I hoping modekat sa klomon da tirabay si invest tayo lududir so it brings up the next most important question mal so milogering ngari ablugul sel investment conference ra ablura huripi nga ka malomra ra se ngoto cloud tutel because financial literacy, understanding investment, how to use your money, how to save, is so important tra development trablo. Mar other tira, ospa egal udo drabe kalsils. So, cloud to trail more tigel mora rakofa trust fund, cloud to trail more other SS, and cloud to trail more other pension. Tigel money managers amor say so. You know aramo ang egal meeting girel morira of island ligang sometimes in other places. Elang they see do ka egal meeting and meet trigger others say. But most importantly, sell knowledge will gain help them to make better decisions. I'll just give you one example. Although there are a compact 438 million LLCs, at a very minimum, a sell the perin mortigal consultant, mortigal money managers, rabe kara kumesentela, over at $2 million. $2 million. So كده المنغارة رجال the pair تيرا $2 million المنغارة سلو ده ngira de mamudu lo mesra se tiga ngila ureri rendia so sell knowledge el dobal lo mesa el investment trigita ko to cloud to tren and that transfers to all areas peranga se dingila ngudo gira adang pangale filosen dingila usader tiren di akti share aspera adang pang mlaria se ludu di matamle invest unfortunately tamle invest raw era 2008 Masira invest, and you know what happened? May collapse sa stock market ra 2009. Matamli gira adangat pa. Sira collapse, matira mada otobada ududir. So they lost, I think, a couple 100,000. Tiamle 600, they drop more 400. Mal tob, ito na umrak tilmut lara alsen. Eng marok la stock market, mese sell time a stock market tamle 12,000. Sell dumo asing down was 12,000. Umle drop mo 6,000. So it almost lost half of its value. El alsil sige lo sil daw amna magrok mo 48,000. So I know maybe that time katang ra talk show yang ang will dot tbdir ela ang will dele raklu. One of the first rules of Kausischakl that investment ase you're investing for the long term. Hindi ka dim goradi yoragi motsem da se aktu am kara trampe e morto do do molang ile se ula ka bay klo lusri akpo da se two things kablo alombra sing ase del tamra magit ngade kalse del tamra magit ngari armra tre da
Adan din nga
uyero agumbra lo ase investing in financial literacy is important now it's up to each state government to decide what to appropriate elmo. Pero sin debate ramgela state. At the national level, of course, kita ako ngir tigar adra ko fatras fund reksana tiertit giril mo because they need to be informed. Kadong ngir adra SS, ma adra pension mo because they need to be informed.
Adan di haling kami sa tel blol mo ko ngi lamang. I need your input on it. O for example, legal hotel tigra rational baby retiram na mo undesirables. Sabi edro to da gelu do del maragel hotel mo klaro government kada mega money. Is that a money making deal? Kuk tiak dil Saudi di kadi wasi. I get invest for egal hotel to or. E kado wasi alo to lo dra compact mind maragel hotel. E malbol clock la government belao e moltrasien moral other belao. E siga managers en morur ternimang. Akkora rin sa Fiji government tar multo secretary elma.
The Fiji government are Chinese junk.
Hindi ko
Tebro lang will hotel. Acti. Let's just use an example. I don't think Ocean whatever Star a Jinping is I wouldn't invest in it. It's junk. But anyway.
Hindi siya din mo gagawin appraisal maral ngarsil oral.
Yeah, okay. Maybe Alberi oral maybe. Yeah. What we need to do a Fiji government, I mean, I got first class hotel or so sell investment policy has to be America requiring that certain sell trust fund that will restricted investment. They of course a pension, my SS, I get funded it, so we have some leeway. And adekal makita tuka duram rigel wase maybe mlamo time till fund nga 400 million maybe allow us to take 20% of it and invest it locally. Those are
development bank.
Yeah. Circulatory. I think one of the concerns that everybody has is can we get enough return and meet the sell requirement? Return expected is based on investing in the stock market. I say, NDPP, if they're only paying us 2 or 3%, is not meeting the 6% return that we need. Those are the challenges that we face. But if we take an equity stake, we send owner tel hotel, and of course we can make more. Owner.
I see.
I think some of those questions, el malungila, other obira kalula bor el uklo tibda ala introduce ala. I mean, I got a president doesn't have to introduce all the laws. Ito ka, agul darsen mortir. Okay, luldaso.
Bukan, oy.
Ay ka mal seder tmage egut mok.
Kala de mudaba tara ko am del toil akro to trail mo asa tara lulo se la sel bli aklubuson momre ko oy ngarang le kum de los maria hearing a manager si IP wasen suril akmi asumi bol mre al December. Seng momre ka ada business ada construction mo kire mo delas. Selo se maging se momre ka le amraire o sing la san May ya direktor ka wasen.
So, kita amtingin nga of course kita expect ra si pin murura uren. Nga ka madri ko member at time el director malaire ma chief ra jail. More than 2 years ago, temlora huri ping mo inspect ay gal plakadal el tial jail. Mga ka I was thinking was tiam na mo mrekal blame kada mo lay gel last plakadal el me finishing. I didn't realize was saying hindi ka tukakat migil lay gel blo lo mesakla di ka berbela. And that was 2 years ago. So unfortunately ang ngaria maybe trito mlangan sang sila si IP trigal mlangan sang sila contractor. Ay kadibla taklado do. So all we know now lead el time tamla ngaria pesa contractor lawyer they're trying to do everything and finishing it by December. Will it be done by December? Maybe not. But soon after, yes. We're getting there. Abay close to tren agimi laudo dra mrigen al muhay singer sel dengi ra oigul global moradengi sel jail sia by the urori le se dimla kan ngara plan andra kan pak because we have the money one ra radra siabala se kami ada kal giri dim ngatiu taigal building and more sel da sing transmission line giren ngara distribution line mang abay mo challenge ra sa PUC sel mera dun maklaya de gabya siran sa aman that's what we're working on now. The building is in full speed, so we're hoping it will be very close to being completed by then.
Kada mo hospital es hospital to ase kamalaring il mo ngat pang bulwa mamuray ray rado oro ase akim law to the alternate site mura hospital es hospital.
So one of the ela kita di kote kadi assume say ngarangat pang ngaray because ang adaray ang adangat pang no kita umara say we should find the best site el girel ti alurio al free and clear out el girel oise that's what we need de ngara pulada bol ul el mel. So the first step of the process agirel ngari mrula feasibility study. So al time there was over 100 Malaysia interested in bidder cell design and feasibility study. I think I'm narrow down on more 5. Ilagil nga club la lodar sa mga brigade let's say grant ra USTDA $2 million. Murur sel omsu. Sel bol merek sel omsu. Kita mo ba say ngara best site why? Mugulgit ra say kadmor tuira Dia melaka do tuira feeling.
Tuira study.
Whether tuira study, kita problem kita all remove tra feeling.
Momre
hala dik paska
momre after turno.
Hala dik paska example ra feeling. Nga kamle secure marine sanctuary. Ulak na secure marine sanctuary 2 things. Agulumra say we were being overexploited. Ang igla dito do relaw kita de dollar benefit. Mang kadrula abul. Di aigal bula do nasa gadi this is tia do ngurgidel dobal manager tial the bela blur belao lo sige ser ko truil gidera raf and make sure aigal galed tial lugel aklarigid amal mon mesisi el marano akhtere no nasa ngirel tuiromsu. So what has Minister Victor been doing for the last 4 years? Nagan Dr. Omsu nater klil wasay aigal manguro I'm sorry, I got a little crabelao. Ngaria ablet ituta monitoring ang lidur tragiribas mamasyal. Maula, President Semenak muna na si President, wala sanctuary. Maktirgam sa na si dede akati wala kan mol agim na lana ba adilam ngara a border kamil di hortagil el demi mak. Anyway, kita agumbralo say what's most important, let's use available science, available data, and make a decision based on fact. Abebira time kadar murtra feeling ar sese, imlabes se gira der murtra interest, ra arangale lablur belaw, el lurtuir raungil, el lomsu, ungil el information, so that we can make the best decision. So that's the process that so maybe more orion, maybe more irai, maybe more ngatpang. Whatever a feasibility study o to de gida mo dong okle say ka evaluate ya say gida agumbra say gira del mot makali mol bulu e support.
Dir block out sem dir kan.
Ada.
Tigida las teranga.
Ay.
Akili we adjustment ragar garil grela PPUC. Ingilo abil ngara las manda.
Ay.
Sel solar ngarang le help ngira individual customer. At this time. Lego meset ngaria ara dengir nga maara la luo, maara la solar.
So a solar relal time provides about 20% ra tel dengil mardre al sales. So that's sell arala a solar al sale say is the 20% ra dengil mosperi. Now a question, I think a deeper question I say arala solar marara they saying
Exactly.
El seals, they're almost the same. Why? Why are they almost the same? Because two things. One, no President Trump nang arala aday sel million. Ongero selmle 14 cents el ulsado niya sing arala dengi.
Projection.
Okay. Amral arala dengi. Hindi al sumang ngari extra dengi lengalak kersel el dos peril tilab and diri regla de lo mari ngari sel tora reglo se curtailment seguir al time el curtailment au ule sel ara la solar although the 14 cents nik med di wara la deiser because seguir el nia se do se wal diri del dengi de se dos per. So what is being done? Ablur Australia mablur Shaval amal blaga lo no se In fact, Blue Australia, they're going to give us a $16 million grant. Sale grant is to do many things. One, tamna study the system rida se ngarigel tokal control rigid ra tel or tela dengir rigid diak. So I get shut off mangara. So to upgrade the tel electrical grid. Ashabal amlem la sel transmission line, they continue upgrading. Ongero atamla kasi ngira del smiga batteri el additional ngari batteri ndigel el blade design ang songos ngira del mutla additional battery at no cost mer other belaw se release el curtailment el mo zero sel bol wai segid eng no mutel mat telarala a solar and man moriora they said. But one thing that we've learned was through this process we know was going into the future, we've learned so much. Now, a sel so other mo accomplish sel reaches 100%, amla mo biot rigid. Because we know was upgrade rigid. Amla asumok laigal kagro sel ne issue rigid and we can fix this. So one of the things el direct el with el maral broadcasting ara todo el ngara former presidential el global omri drima arbebir our senators awase tial solar pacific amakitra NG kam dengel gid amla meeting el masadra NG NG amle bider tiagid current el bidel gida nilu NG sel dangarabid everybody is providing the same dega claros a difference NG amle 20 cents a solar pacific a 14 cents. So selungir really another all bill amle stop selurior it was a lutel morabid. So after abid we brought it down by tela almost 30%. Lemle went from 20 to 14. Bereng asel tokshor gid amle help other all bill gan medjite se kamnutror gaditiam lutel el without 3. Besera al without 3 sera tur obvious ti already na umregal contract. Gida dim lo implementary. Yes. Already na umregal contract temla award rabid. Gida dim lo implementary. Yes, there have been challenges. There are questions. So Mnebring la tingya dak pring asular other all bill raise egal issue. Modulo lo bangela Australia tanam skida grantel solve a problem. So, cell issue is to me by next year March the good news I say abatteria mera next year March by next year March problem solved. So yes, you will see even less cell charge of solar. A question. Let's go back to the original question. A solar ang ruli. A solar el time provide 20% radengi. One of the challenges that we have gider sera al commit el mumrur tial solar el top da rabir. Ya ara dengi rablur bela amiral moklo out Spain. Sera fanable break tial plante bala implementriam lang mga tao out Spain dengi al sera rablur bela. Yeah. So there's things that are happening. One of the things that are happening is Taiwan next year is bringing electric buses for PIF. Maria electric buses bela. Same mga natin gira grid. Age milador. We're bringing more electric cars in Mirablu bela. Same tang age me. Age mo help los pertial energy kita producer. The other thing blalganya Taiwan mamruri. They're going to build the hydrogen plant Palau. This is the first small hydrogen plant that produces hydrogen. So al sumari other mo mla hydrogen ang basal hydrogen, ang bilas hydrogen will have a plant. LCL golitial extra solar may convert hydrogen. Motor operation and sell a PUC providing service and more other below. So these are projects that we're working on because kid omral was and they say el kera blue aru source because maral mo mga da blulat ede kadoro sir ng alad. That's why kadamral mga takle mlor other blue was blue lang aliw. Gidam blue lang alad. We need to have embrace new technology, create and create energy independence. Kadam lang alak ratan.
Mla smada mal betok. الموت ملاقي سامال بتقول مذاكر قريب الموت المي.
President elak mas ka temem mga igil so pumdul mon.
Yeah. Mal anyway. Sir ko bigyan ng kal lobo ko. Inga mal so mi isra nga makmula alak igil. Ang alak ra gyud sma.
Diyan ari of ko why save. Diyan
agumral was sel bebirata ingila di blaktak. Akora kasi kada mal dirigam nombre kal ngara memory ra Francis agum das aknot mo yung seltigibul Francis ra at sumarak tidul tomala ra dak ay ama oy hindi agum ra was ingira drum katakla to oy ile gida dia kan ngoder intent gid kadio singra kluna le other belo mangira dal in Thanksgiving relang amal so kal wish ra will Thanksgiving el moral vector familiar al sela blur bela bodo ngar sel spirit ra Thanksgiving bolungin armu tra igel el giam lam skeda roba kal dios tial klabo le will belwa lo el de kera al sel mi mokl el seadr ngar tiang di be tek mu igel ngar armu delen adanga imur ablu tra wase kamo kal bus kam karang no ya bela dia we live in a free country and that's I think that's the biggest blessing that we have. Teloer igal blue rablu. I mean, I got a blessing and very good. But etiregal kangal tangatleng, you know, to blue rablu lad, namadagal lulu. Igal program government trigid igal mo church service. Will to go. Kangal tangatleng very good. So we have to look at the positives, you know. Ako pleasure sila gumagela angel Prime Minister Australia durang basically masik. Tiamran got to klebokal blue al sila blue. Hindi ka kamran mo proud of other belo ase. Kira got to klebokal blue blue. And we should be proud of other belo. Al kira got to lungil blue take care and you know tira kalombralo ase. A baby that time. So there was two things that happened this week. One, mera program regulasya. Akmlori orang Surangel buiga. Mlariagal tokol music program, the temple Thanksgiving program. Ningam na modul gira tokora Thanksgiving. And you know what he talked about? Masadro say baby that time we forget to be thankful. Kada focus rati problem. Mangam nong tial story rangal kara Israel me emot mautel dissecting was a trigay rangal Israel. Ali trigam le sibay Moses amo iti treat to. Matanganam dala Red Sea uk namam di dala ngala se Moses namo amal mertiang. At the cross of Red Sea marabitam to celebrate. Uk to kumomandara se ngana ma aigaral ma adal se den wing trural men mongin. Ito tol sa ngana merda mana matamlaman ito umandara se ngana mo so mga merda kwel matamo mo. Anyway,
Hindi mo dahil di ka ulo mo.
Di ka ulo mo ngayon. And you know, Adios say, a promised land, the tegidal, blue mill, tegidal. Ito makana, agi mo naktarar giant. I mean, mga kasi, we need to be thankful and we need to look at the positive side. You know, maybe at time, di nga na negative. And I think siya siyang argi. Active remember sa, magiging may Chloe, katamal sa adal. Katamal. Sige na katamal lamal. Actually, but that's not healthy. That's actually a type of bullying and putting people down. And then making people feel bad for themselves. Yung nga school, hindi ka sukam sa dating nga mga naling. Akpanay na saying problem. O siya, ngulat pa yung masarang rigid pa yung kada bay marule umarta tenga rigid because it's not a good thing. Sumungila tenga rigid bay swadal tanga nga makit. I mean aga it's
stand out
yeah. So I think we need to help our children and our society change. We need to lift the kids up. Tell Otil Bella, program mental awareness. And I think one of the reasons why mental awareness, a mental health problem ragi darablo bela, misegi the negative atmosphere. Kadang rata ng okla, masangal di criticize rang alagad, put on rang alagad instead of lifting them up. And I'm guilty of that. Actually, tell aktirikal mo feel guilty, aktirikal di kami apologize sa mga alagad kasi mo subes ang ab to kay atakal menang mak-transfer level. Human nature. So we have to help each other. Maral me sa Adam dase, hey, Gamral ula bilim Gamral, you look good, you know. Kita kamal mo ko dalbo. I mean, you know.
Mal toil. Komisyon lang, Dio pa ila talaga marang lagi rogo ada hindi ka sorry stand out.
Yes.
Oh,
di ang ina yung top trooper ma.
Oh, makuha sa ila ka tel malumil bay mga igam me po ko ata mo siya kami dili ko la dress code bela sil Friday ngrang we have to look good. Why ka sil umesa ka mo madurang parte kabetong aklo leleun ag will sa adam mula bilin.
So lasem dulo ay sing anam sa kaliki kabe.
Kasi tingin na Francis, kokorang kakakabla.
You know, I think most importantly we need to instill sel giremel proud other belaw, samreal other belwam. You know, kung mas documentary eli el girel ngalangal gara apolabe ngalgara ya Dennis Yamase, Nicole Yamase, Lorsel Dilor Mariana Trench. First Micronesian. Ningam na interview kakano sila especially tira Micronesian nga Hawaii. Tira marul wasa king atara Micronesian.
To marul atara Micronesian.
You know sa kada mo feel dekal. You know because maybe ngari atal malera baby rigid mga we should never be embarrassed wasa other belang. Never. Ngire man proud wasa other belang. The ori. You know sige se ako mas adam rigela. That's what Trump is all about. Marwa, Ben Carson, the proud of other American. You shouldn't be embarrassed. Diwa, Cristiano, you shouldn't be hiding Cristiano. You should be spreading the light. I think that's, but you know, it's human nature. And I think that's part of our responsibility. So, Family Day, Thanksgiving, let's enjoy each other. Let's continue to lift each other up. Ma'am Sula.
Sula.
Ang saula president el altalsigang al gingkuk mla o oltaw deswel ma osingel gire la puluat el administration ngi ya gidire kan meringa sule mla mos emding ra katuak la. Ako mama average of like 2,000 ada.
I see.
Okay, kalau bisil omeng apan mo nga 3-4. Mang dili ko lungit ra mamagi mga sulem. Kaman sula president.
Dari ang sila.
Tukubet si program ng mama president early afternoon. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.